A couple charged in the murder of an elderly woman in Royal Oak is going to trial.
A judge has ruled there is enough evidence to put their fate in the hands of a jury.
7 Action News reporter Cheryl Choden has more now from the newsroom. Cheryl?
Well, Dave, it was a crime that shocked and, of course, saddened the family of 80-year-old Nancy Daly and also her neighbors. She hired 2 drifters to do yard work, and days later, according to police and prosecutors, for money and a credit card, they murdered her. The judge ruled there is enough evidence to send Tanya Watson and Alan Wood to trial for the brutal murder of 80-year-old Nancy Daly. The Royal Oak woman, who was found dead in her home last November, she had been beaten and her throat had been cut. Her hands were tied behind her back with a blue scarf, and crime lab experts testified the suspect's DNA was on that scarf, and there was DNA evidence under the nails of the victim. A lawyer for Alan Wood said there was nothing that could directly link his client to the murder, but the judge disagreed, said there was definitely probable cause, enough to send the 2 parole absconders to circuit court for trial.
You have no evidence to support count 3. Prosecution has provided you with nothing in that regard. A lot of speculation, a lot of conjecture, but they could not connect the dots to my client to establish probable cause.
Looking at the severity and the brutality of the injuries suffered by Nancy Daly, clearly the defendant had time to think about what he was doing and make choices.
Now, no trial date has been set, but one thing is for sure. If the suspects are convicted of this crime, they will be going to prison for the rest of their lives. In the newsroom, I'm Cheryl Choden, 7 Action News.